I honestly don't know why it is so difficult to find out about this. Canon Pixmas have two black inks, yet it doesn't look like there is an easy way to choose which one to print with. It's a good thing that I am as stubborn as I am, so I found out how to do it and it's very easy. You should do this when you want to use your water-based media. Load your paper of choice in the back tray of your Canon Pixma and select the following print settings. Print on grayscale, select plain paper and print in high quality. You want to make sure that duplex printing is disabled and also leave the borderless print settings as they are. And that's it. Hit print and then have fun coloring. The dye ink works great with alcohol markers. To select it, you can print in either grayscale or color, but honestly I think printing in color when you just have to print black outlines is a little bit of a waste. So I always select grayscale, then you want to select glossy paper and normal quality. It doesn't matter what paper you use, glossy paper just makes sure that you are going to select the right ink. You can also save print profiles so that you don't have to remember the settings every time, and to make things even easier for you, I created a free PDF guide. It includes information about digital stamps, printers and everything I shared today so that you can reference it when you need to. So make sure to click the link in the description box down below, subscribe to my newsletter and I'll send my free PDF guide straight into your inbox.